It's complicated.
Hey, hi you guys.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. This is Samira.
I know. Samira, hi. Nice to meet you.
मैंने सुना है थोड़ा बहुत तुम्हारे
I hope something good.
Nothing good.
Really? Okay. Come in. Make yourself comfortable.
Nice poster.
Thank you. Sit. Okay. राका ने मुझे वो वीडियो फॉरवर्ड किया था and you won't believe it has been already downloaded by more than 3,000 people. I must say, good work, Samira.
You want me to be proud of it? God. आइंदा से ना मैं अपने फोन में एक भी पिक्चर भी क्लिक नहीं करता हूँ. I swear.
Never say never.
हंसी आ रही है तुझे?
Boss, if life gives you lemons ना, lemonade बनाने के अलावा और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है.
है ना? मसाला लेमन सोडा भी बना सकते हैं. चाहिए? अभी ये सब ज्ञान छोड़ और बता क्या करना है प्रोफेसर.
Cigarette? Anyone?
Carry on.
I'm not in a mood. Samira, can I have a word with you right now? What?
क्या हुआ?
सुनना, do you have some money on you?
हाँ, ATM से 3,000 रुपए निकाल लेते हो. क्यों? उसे पैसे देने पड़ेंगे.
No, उसने पैसे भी नहीं मांगे.
तो मामला क्या है? I know you guys were seeing each other. उसके बाद 3 महीने के बाद पहली बार मिल रहे हो. ऐसा लगता नहीं है वैसे. ऐसा लगता है कल ही मिले थे.
मैंने कुछ उससे पैसे उधार लिए थे.
ठीक है, मैं दे देती हूँ. You know what? At least speaking, Myra is a better choice. He's simple, classic, but Myra has that edge, you know? And you know, see, your relationship is the elephant in the room. I know, but then can you please address my problem at this point of time?
Yeah, right. I have to address him at some point of time.
Do it later, huh? Let's go.
God.
Pakka say you were bitching about me.
Exactly. That's exactly what we were doing.
Okay, बाद में बता देना. It's really difficult to find or track those videos which has already gone viral. But I'm sure we'll figure out something.
Thanks, yaar. You know, you are going out of the way to help us.
It's okay, Samira. Just chill.
तो हम लोग घर जा सकते हैं?
ठीक है, तुम लोग जाओ. If I'll get something, I'll definitely let you know.
Thanks, यार. राका, तुम मेरे साथ आ रही हो ना?
Varun, I want to have a word with you. Hello?
Hey, gorgeous.
Yeah? Uh-huh.
You know what? I'm running so late. I have to go for this press event, and before that, I need to go to the parlor because I'm wearing this really sexy dress and I need to get bags. I don't know how I'm going to manage.
Arey, then why worry? I have the perfect solution for you. Why don't you use a Venus razor?
No. Won't it make my skin really rough and my hair thick? Just because of this one time, I don't want my hair to grow back thicker and faster. And I think I can quickly go to the parlor.
Arey, so you prefer going to the parlor and paying more money and getting hurt? Is that what you want? By the way, the Venus razor, it won't change the structure of your hair growth. Nor will it increase the hair growth, yeah? Otherwise, why would you think I would endorse something like this?
Yeah, you're right. Thanks, yeah, you're the best.
Actually, listen. The other day you really tried getting in touch with me. Is it something urgent? क्या हुआ?
हाँ, यही बताना था कि तुम्हारे फ्रेंड ने इतना बड़ा ड्रामा किया कि उसके लिए probably KK is firing me from my job.
What? कौन सा friend? And why the hell would KK fire you, Myra?
Nupur, yeah, who else? KK promised me a paid vacation and suddenly he changed his mind. And now he's giving me such a hard time.
Why would he do that?
Sorry. I'm late. I know, I'm late. I was shaving. I have an early call time tomorrow.
Oh,
So you have started shaving now.
Yeah, thanks to you. I wonder why I wasn't shaving all this while. See my skin? It looks so better now. And the best thing is, no time and money wasted at the salon.
So you learned how to shave from Samira. What did you learn from me? Matlab? You don't know what we're talking about.
We made a pact to keep each other in the loop. इसी फ्लैट में you were the one to remind me that ना, weren't you? और उसके बाद जब हमने तुमसे कहा कि जाके अर्जुन से बात करो, नो, मैं नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि मैं उसके सामने वीक नहीं दिखना चाहती हूँ. ये तुमको तब नहीं याद आया जब केके के घर में कॉल करके तुमने उसको बुलाया था.
And you wanted to fix a meeting with that bloody KK to get in touch with Myra secretly. My Myra.
Your Myra. See, listen, I just wanted to talk to him for a project.
Acha? So you didn't find it mandatory to discuss with both of us?
नहीं, उसे लगा होगा कि we are not good enough.
But rubbish, yeah, we all are good enough.
Listen, Nupur, I fucking lost my job because of you. For no fault of mine. And you don't even have a fucking apology to give. You went behind our backs just to boost your career. You fucking played this game. What a selfish bitch you are, man.
This is all my fault now. Is it?
I don't believe this. You met Myra only twice. And you know how Myra is. She's very close to you. And what did you think? She'd not tell me about it. Huh?
So क्या हुआ, guys? Remember, KK ने तुम लोगों के सामने मुझे कहा था to call me. That's what I did.
हो, तो ऐसी बातें हैं. ये सब चल रहा है पीठ के पीछे एंड राका साला हम ही लोग हैं जो चूतिए थे जो इसको सीधा समझ के बैठे थे. जैसे तू दिखती है ना वैसे तू बिल्कुल भी है नहीं. We were fools all this while.
Guys, listen, I'm not going to take this shit anymore. Okay?
Huh? Otherwise what? You fucking don't know how to be a good team player. You want to go ahead of us? So go fucking score a goal. Go na, go.
क्या हुआ? अब चुप क्यों है? हाँ, वैसे भी चुप रहना तो तेरी आदत ही है ना. Where were you जब मेरा MMS लीक हो गया? सब लोग मेरा MMS देख के मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे थे. You were having fun with KK, you were having fun with Arjun, and we were the ones who were running around to catch that bloody asshole जिसने मेरा MMS लीक किया.
I was just trying to work out an option, यार.
हाँ, of course ना. सीधे सीधे खेलना नहीं आता है फिर तो गेम छोड़ के भाग जाओ. Bloody भगोड़ास.
This is what you think about me?
Yes, of course I think about you.
What do you want us to think about you then, huh? Bol na. Tell us. Give us your little thoughts. We'll think about you.
But Nupur, going behind your friends' backs is wrong, no, Kanna? No, Amma. You know what? Fuck you. I don't owe an explanation to anybody. Fine? Fuck you. Fuck your job. Fuck your flats. Fuck KK. Fuck Arjun. Fuck everything. In fact, you know what? Fuck this city. Fuck my dreams. Fuck everything.
Fuck everything. Fuck it. Go. Ass.
It's complicated.
IP address exact इस internet cafe से मिलता है. तो if we go through the videos, maybe we'll find some pattern या कुछ भी link मिल जाए.
Wait. Pause it. I know this loop. I just feel that we should boost each other's confidence.
This is the time जब हम लोगों को साथ में खड़ा होना चाहिए यार. We should fight back, not run away and give up.
You are a fucking thief. Get that clearly.
So now what?
I'll have to go away.
And what about us?
Primary cast exclusively styled by Myntra.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Shetty, an aesthetic physician and a skincare expert. I do have a lot of young girls these days in my practice asking me about various doubts, of course, related to beauty quite many times. And out of them, most of them are related to hair. So I thought maybe we should choose a nice platform and talk to you all about the myths and see what I can impress upon you are just myths.